Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to configure various chart styles with EA's fancy chart. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Wordpress admin. On the left side of the menu, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. You need to search for EA fancy, and you can see this is the one which we were looking for, essential add-ons for Elementor, and you need to install and activate it. Once you do that, then you will end up over here, and these are some information which you need to fill. So I'm going to click on next over here. You can select the elements from over here. So obviously we have dynamic content elements and content elements also, and if you click on view all, you will see all the relative to this plugin will appear over here. And obviously you can come on later over here and want to open this, you can also do that, but for this tutorial I'm going with this one. And obviously you can go pro. The last option is integration. If you want more integration, you can also get that from over here. Just click on next, and after that you will end up over here. Once you do all those stuff, what you need to do, go ahead and create a new page, or obviously you can go to the existing page also and start working, which I'm going to show you. So once you open your page, on the left side of the menu, search for fancy, and you will see something like this. Just click and drag that over here. It will turn into this chart by itself. And on the left side of the menu, we have some options which we can play around with this one. So on the left side, we have first thing is chart title. Obviously we can change that to anything over here. So I'm going to write pro learner, and obviously you can go with the title tag also. We can go h1 if you want. You can see that it will go up, and we have h2 also, it will go down. So you can go ahead and play around with this. You can add description if you want, and then after that we have chart style. Right now we are looking at chart style in a vertical way. On the left side we have chart orientation also. You can go ahead and change that also. You can see we are looking at in a horizontal way right now, and obviously go ahead and you can also change it back to vertical. But if you don't want this chart, you need something different, you can also do that. We have area, we have line chart, we have radar, pie, donut, and polar area. So these are some few charts available over here. And obviously you can change the style and fill type also. So right now it's solid, you can change it to gradient if you want. As you can see on the right side, you can change it too. So we have so many options to play around. Right now I'm going back to the original state, to bar, and going with the vertical and change it to solid. So these are the things which I'm going with this right now. We can go with the stacked also. If you click on this, you will see that how it looks like. It will go stacked each of their above right now, but this is not looking good in my opinion, so I'm going to close this off. We have advanced options also, like toolbar. If you want to show that, you can also show that. You can obviously disable it. We have data position also available over here. Like right now it's in center. We can go with the top if you want, we can go with the bottom if you want, but right now I'm going with the center. And top and bottom is for, for the horizontal, so that's why it's not showing up like that. And we have show legend. If you want, you can disable it. Close in position, top. Right now it's at the top. We can change it to the right, as you can see over here. Data set, we have at bottom. You can set that at the bottom also. Right now I'm going with the top. So these are some few things which you can do. Now about data, if you want to enter that, just click on this, and we have those options over here. So this is the first category, second category, third category, fourth category. So this is how it is lined up right now. We can change the static mode to JSON. If you want to enter the JSON data, you can also add that over here. If you want to add CSV file, you can also add those over here. And obviously we can add Google Sheets as well, but static is the one which you can create your own. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. This is all manual, and if you have already created, you can choose these three options as well. So these are the data sets. So data sets are is this one, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So what we are going to do, we are going to write over here 1 2 3 4, not category 1 2 3 4, only the numbers over here. So you just need to click on that and change it to 1. So you can see over here at the bottom, we can change that 1 2 3 4. Obviously I'm showing this as a demo, so you can name this later on, and obviously you can add more items over here as well. Now data sets, we can change the data sets also. So if I change to, so this is where you need to understand how you can enter data sets over here. So we are going to enter the value of the first data, which is this one, for every each category over here. You can see that this is all about sales, right? And I have named that over here, and each value you need to enter as comma 20, comma 30, and comma 40. If we have fifth category over here, we can add that also by clicking ahead over here and comma and 50 if you want to write that later on. So this is how to do it. Once you do that, you can see that the first category would have 10, right? So you can see that on the right we have that in the first category. Then 2 has 20, 3 has 30, 4 had 40. So this is how you are going to enter the data over here. Obviously you can change the color also. So if I want to go for the black, you will see that it will turn into the black. So these are the few things which you need to do. Now data set has been done, let's say, and now you need to edit this all. How you can do that? It's very easy, right? Go to style and you can edit every single thing about it, like header style, chart style, data labels, bar style. So you can change the bar width also if you want. So if I go like less, you can see this is will go less, but this is looking very terrible right now. So I'm going with a 50, let's say. So you can see this looks way better than before and very eye pleasing in my opinion. And obviously you can go ahead and play around like grid style. You can also disable grid. What it does, you can see that all the lines has been gone, but you can also enable this later on also. We have strokes, we have tool tip style, and we can also change the header over here to the left, to the right. This is the header, by the way. And we have chart style over here, so you can increase the height if you want of this chart, and we can change the width also over here. So these are the things which you need to do. And if we have some advanced options also, from wrapper link to advanced tooltip also available over here. Background color, if you want to add that, you can also do that. So if you want to add an image at the background, you can also do that from that option. So you can see I have just added a gradient color over here, and obviously I can change it to something like this. So this looks good in my opinion. I'll go with this one. So this is only for the tutorial, right? How you can get access to every single thing, and you can do every single thing with this tool to create your own chart. And like I said this before, you can change the style of chart from on the left side of the menu also. So as you can see, this one looks good as well. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to configure various chart styles with EA Fancy Chart. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.